Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to blur a specific part of your video in CapCut and make the blur move along with the object. Let's dive in. First, select your video on the timeline. Scroll to the bottom menu and tap on Effects, then go to Video Effects. Next, use the search option, type in Blur, and select it from the options on the right. Once the blur effect is applied, press Cancel to return to the timeline. Click on the video again and extend the blur to match the duration of your clip. Select the video, scroll through the bottom menu, and tap Duplicate. Select the duplicated video, and from the options, choose Overlay. Drag and align the overlay video so that it matches perfectly with the original clip. Ensure both play together seamlessly. Now, select the overlay video and scroll to the bottom menu. Look for the mask option and tap on it. Choose Rectangle from the shapes, then click on Invert at the bottom left. Adjust the size and position of the blur area to cover the part you want hidden. Move it around until it looks perfect. If the object you're blurring moves in the video, here's how to make the blur follow it. Scrub through the video to see where the object moves. Go to the right of the play button and tap the Keyframe button. Now move the blur to follow the object. Keyframes will automatically be added each time you adjust the position. Repeat this process as needed to ensure the blur stays on the moving object. Once you've set all your keyframes, click on the play button to preview your work. You'll notice the blur moves smoothly with the object, keeping it hidden throughout the video. And that's it. You've successfully blurred and tracked a moving object in CapCut. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides.